Okay, I honestly didn't expect this to make such a difference. I've been using this every morning and my skin just feels much smoother. It's lightweight, it doesn't feel sticky, and it actually fits easily into my routine. If you're looking for something simple, this is definitely worth trying.
You don't need to be a professional before you can start creating UGC videos. You can create UGC video in less than 1 minute without doing it clip by clip or scene by scene. In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step method how you can create a professional 30-second UGC video without doing it scene by scene. With just a master prompt, you can create a professional UGC video using Seedance 2.5, and you can also extend it to 1 minute video or 30-minute video. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you how you can create a professional UGC video using your phone or your laptop. Let's get started. So this is the platform we are going to be looking at for today. This platform you are seeing right here. This is the platform we are going to be using to create our UGC video. And this is the name of the platform up here. But if you need the link to this platform, you can check out the description of this video. You are going to see the link to this platform. Now, I've talked about this platform before, but a lot of people have not come across it. So I'm going to talk about it again. So if you want to get started to this platform, after clicking on the link, it's going to take you to an interface like this after you register an account. And when you register an account using the link in the description of this video, they are going to give you some credit. Now, you are going to see where it says video, you are going to see where it says AI images, you are going to see music, gallery, and other things. So right now we want to create video. So we'll click on this video by the side here, not this one. We are going to click on this one by the side here. And immediately you click on it, it's going to open and bring you to interface like this. Now, when it brings you to an interface like this, that UGC video you just watched a moment ago, this is how I created the video. I come to AI here, and now when you come to AI model, you click on it. So this is where you can select different type of AI model. As you can see, AI Grok 1.5, Seedance Lite, and Allo AI Seedance. So I use Seedance 2.5 to create that UGC video. So let's look for Seedance 2.5. Let me show you how I did it. And this is Seedance 2.5. Then you click on this Seedance 2.5. After putting it on this Seedance 2.5, the next thing you are going to do is to paste your prompt here. So I'm going to paste my prompt. After you paste your prompt here, the next thing you are going to do is to come down here this side. Now you are going to see where it says aspect ratio. As you can see, this is where you can select your aspect ratio. Now let's select our aspect ratio. Let's put it 9:16, and we select our resolution. It's going to be on 720. For now, you can only generate 720. Now you click on the duration. Now this is where you need to select up to 30 seconds. As you can see, this is where you can select 30 seconds. And after you click on 30 seconds, you mark it, and you also click on generate with audio. Make sure you click on generate with audio, because if you do not click on this generate with audio, your video will generate without sound, without audio. So make sure you click on this generate with audio. And after you click on it, the next thing you click on generate video, and it's going to show you result like this. Now, as you can see, this is the video we just generate right now. This is the video. So let me play it again so that you guys are going to see the video. So this is the video here. I don't want to play it because I don't want to waste much of your time, because you guys have already seen the video at the beginning of this video. So now, as you can see, I've used this platform to generate a lot of videos here. Now, anyone you want to edit, like this one now, I can edit this one that I just generate right now. This is it here. I'll just click on this edit. Now, when you click on edit, you can click on edit video. Now, when you click on edit video, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, when it brings you to an interface like this, you can obscure the video, remove the background, and also do some other things. So let me show you how you are going to extend this video. Let's go back and let me show you how you are going to extend this video. This is what you are going to do. When you come down here, you are going to see this arrow here. As you can see, this arrow. So you just click on it, and when you click on it, just tap on it, and when you click on it, it's going to say continue. As you can see, so it's going to use the last frame, the image, the last frame. As you can see, use the last frame and continue with the next prompt. As you can see, continue with the next prompt. So all you just need to do is just to click on continue like this, and when you click on continue, it has added the last frame. It has added the last frame. So all you just need to do is just to change the prompt here. Just copy, just delete the first prompt and you replaced it. And the next thing you are going to do again is just to set your time duration again. You put it in 30 seconds. And after you put it in 30 seconds again, you click on generate, and it's going to generate the video from where the first one stopped. And at the end of the day, you can go to your CapCut or any editing tool you are using to add up the video together. So this is how you can create over 1 minute, 2 minute advert videos using this AI tool. Just like I said before, the link to this AI tool is going to be in the description of this video. So in case you want to use it, you can go to the description of this video and you are going to check it out and you are going to see the link. Now, as you can see, just like I said, this is the last frame it's going to use. As you can see, this is the last frame and it will continue generating the video. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.